Custom photo to paint listings like this one here and many others are making hundreds of dollars a day and thousands of dollars a month in passive income. In the past, it would have taken years of advanced graphic design skills to achieve these types of digital art results. But with new AI tools built right into Canva, you can achieve the same results, or better, with just a single click and zero graphic design skills. You can utilize a print-on-demand partner like Printify to print and ship the artwork on a variety of blank merchandise for you that you can then sell on online marketplaces like Etsy, which is 100% allowed. In fact, I took one of my Etsy shops to over 6 figures in just 1 year using this exact same method. Custom products are no doubt one of the top-selling items on Etsy, which is a marketplace customers flock to, with an average of over 450 million customers visiting each month, many looking for unique gifts, especially gifts that they can customize with a photo. And believe it or not, but custom photo gifts, especially ones converted into a painting, are some of the highest searched but lowest competition products on Etsy, largely because of the perceived graphic design skill barrier that we're going to absolutely smash today. Using eRank, for example, I can see that custom pet pillows are very high searched but low competition. And Printify has a variety of best-selling pillows that we can upload with custom photos that they then print and ship for us. In today's video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to convert a photo into a painting with a single click with Canva, then how to utilize Printify, which integrates with popular e-commerce platforms like Etsy, Shopify, Walmart, and even TikTok Shop to print and ship these wildly popular products for you, so you don't ever have to worry about keeping and maintaining inventory or running to the post office. I'm also going to show you how to create high converting thumbnails and even a listing photo to set yourself apart from the competition. Literally everything you need to get started today. Be sure to stay until the end because I'm going to be sharing some very high search but low competition keywords and products with this niche that you don't want to miss, as well as exactly how I would go about creating a reel or a short for TikTok or other platforms to help your products go viral so that they can be seen by thousands or even millions of potential customers. And if you like zero fluff, high value content that helps you get ahead, make sure you subscribe for more videos. Let's get to it. So once you're in Canva, you're going to create a design. And today we're going to create a design for a pillow. So I'm going to make this a 2500 by 2500 canvas and then select create new design. Then on the left panel here, I'm going to go down to apps and I'm going to search for Paintify and select that app. And then it's going to prompt me to choose the file that I want to paintify. And then I will select my image, and then I just wait for it to paintify my image. And now it has turned my photo into a painting. And now I'm ready to add some text to my design. So to add text, I navigate back to the toolbar and then scroll up, select text, add heading, and then I'll pretend that this dog's name is Bailey. Now, one of the best ways to add new value to this is simply to use a really cute, unique font. So I'm going to use this really cute script font that I downloaded from Creative Fabrica. Creative Fabrica is a website that just has tons and tons of really unique fonts that you can upload to Canva and add to your design. And I have a link in the description box below that you can use to get 10 free downloads. So now I'm ready to finish my design. Because of all the white space up here, I'm going to go ahead and move this down here, make the dog a little larger. To rotate the text, I just select the circle here. I do plan on changing the background color on the actual pillow, so I'm going to make the text white. And once I'm happy with my design, I can save this to my computer. I'm going to select transparent background and then download. And then I'm going to download this as a transparent PNG. And then once you're in Printify, just go to Catalog, Home and Living, scroll down to Pillows. I'm going to choose the bestseller and then start designing. And then I'm ready to upload my image from my device. And then I'm just going to resize this fit inside of the box. Now I do want to change the background color here. This is just going to help make the product really stand out and the image stand out. I can select the colors here, or I can add my own hex code. This is a hex code that I just found by Googling popular 2024 color hex codes, and it took me to this website, iColor Palette, and then I just copied the hex code here. Then I'm going to resize the image to make sure that it's nice and large, and I'm going to duplicate the image so that there's one on each side. And then once I'm ready, I can preview this. And that turned out a lot larger than I really like. So I'm going to go back to edit, and then I'm going to make sure that the design stays within the dotted border. And then I'm just going to duplicate that because I want to make sure it's the exact same size. And then select preview. And I want it to be just a teeny bit smaller than this even. And don't forget to select different sizes. So I'm going to select all 4 sizes. And now I'm ready to save this product and then publish it to my shop. And then I also recommend selecting Download Mockup. This is going to download a PNG file of this exact mockup that you can add to Canva and edit, that you can add to your own thumbnail for Etsy. On Etsy, I know if you want to stick out from the competition, it's really important to use high converting mockups. So next we're going to hop back onto Canva so I can show you how to create a high converting thumbnail. So to create this thumbnail that I would list on Etsy, I simply uploaded that pillow mockup from Printify and then selecting background remover. And then behind that, I simply added a stock photo that I found on Canva of a living room, added the original photo, and the arrow graphic. I do like how this turned out, and this would be free to create. However, if we use a paid mockup from Etsy, I think that this could be even more high converting. So I'm going to go to File, Create New Design, Custom Size. I'm just going to do a square 2500 by 2500 canvas. I'm going to upload my mockup that I purchased from Etsy, and this was only a couple of dollars. I'm going to make it a little bit larger, and then I'm going to upload the original design that I created. I'm going to toggle these circles to make it a little bit smaller. And then to add that orange background, I'm going to go to Elements. And then when I select this box here, the color, and scroll down to Image Colors, you can see all of the colors from the image that I uploaded are here. I'm going to select that color, which is the exact color that I used on the pillow, and then delete it. And then I'm going to make it as large as the pillow, and then I'm going to layer this. So I'm going to select Position, Layers, or I could just go to backwards here, and that works as well. And then I'm just going to move this to make sure I really like the placement. And then once I'm happy with that, I'm going to add the photo of the dog. First, I'm going to go to Elements and search for frames. So Frame, Photo Frame, See All, find a frame that I like, resize it. Then I can upload the original photo. And this is to give your customer an idea of the product and how you will be customizing the product. Then I'm going to go to Elements and search for an arrow, or select one that I've used recently. I'm going to flip this, resize, change the color so you can see it a bit better. And then I'm going to add a text box and just type your pet photo here. I'm going to make that bold and a bit larger. I'm going to add a background, and then I want to change that background color. I'm going to move that here. And then just like that, I have created a really high quality, high converting thumbnail. So what I love about this product is that we're not just doing guesswork here. We're making a lot of data-driven decisions. By using high search and low competition keywords, using a high quality mockup, using a unique font from Creative Fabrica, using trending colors, and utilizing the help of AI to add even more value to this. Using data-driven decisions will help us to be successful on Etsy. Now, because Etsy has tons of built-in traffic all on its own, and we're using high search but low competition SEO, and we have a really high quality mockup and a product that's added a lot of new value to the market, we could stop here and potentially this could be a top seller. However, keep in mind that Etsy does reward you for driving your own traffic. So next I'm going to show you what you could do to further market this, creating a short or a reel on TikTok or Instagram or any other short form platform. So take a look at this video that went viral on TikTok and how this seller created a viral reel for their product. The audio is going to be off just to make sure I don't get any kind of audio violations on YouTube. So all the seller did here was create a sample product of a dog that they had access to, possibly their own dog, and opened up the portrait, making sure that their dog was in the video. So definitely something to consider for your own shop. As promised, I wanted to share with you some high search but low competition SEO or products that you could also sell besides pillows. This includes custom pet sweatshirts and t-shirts, ornaments, mugs, blankets, canvas or poster prints, stickers, and phone cases. If you found this video helpful, be sure to comment below what you plan on creating with this AI tool built right into Canva. Or you could let me know if you have any questions or recommendations for future videos below. And one 100% free way to support my content is simply by smashing that like button and subscribing for more videos. Up next is a video about how you can turn photos into SVGs. See you all there.